go. Here we 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 go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. Let me know how you like the video. Today, I will be showing you a tutorial on how to do a half up, half down sew-in. This half up, half down is going to be pretty low. It's not going to be too high. My client here, she has really thick hair. So I'm going to flat iron the front part of her hair. As you can see, the back is already braided, waiting for it to be sewn in. Stay tuned for the next step. Now that we're done pressing out her hair, I'm going to put some oil in it to keep it hydrated with the chemicals that we are going to apply. Now, I do have my own product. It's called Premium BeezWax. For those that know, it does not flake, it does not turn white, and you do not have to reapply it every day like certain kind of edge controls. If you are interested in purchasing my Premium BeezWax, the link will be in the description box for those that are interested. I do make this product. It is not super thick. Once again, it does not turn white like some other products. I highly recommend it for those that does have thick, coarse hair. It helps lay down your hair without adding so much product to lay it down. So right here, I'm just sectioning out my baby hairs, just as if you were to do frontals or wigs. It's the same. You will kind of section out the baby hairs, the side parts, and I'm going to go ahead and mold that ponytail. The baby hairs normally is like the last thing that I do. I want to make sure that ponytail is nice and tight. Not too tight, you guys, but no lumps in the front, no humps, a seamless, pulled back, low ponytail.
I wish I believed when you told me you believed in me. I wish I could see in me what you seen when we talked last. You just told me two things. Said, I love you, myself. I think doing what I'm doing, I think that's what got me up. I gave it my best and that's exactly why I'm here. Hated how I felt to be in debt, to didn't feel till I did some. Self-reflecting, thinking back to testaments and wisdom. Make sure you got a will. There's a way when there is one. Keep doing what you doing, go do what's already been done. I know you got it. Yes, I know you got it in. Yes, I know you got it in.
Now, after molding the baby hairs, you do want to make sure you apply some Pump It Up spritz. That's what I prefer. I do not like Got To Be. It turns their hair white after 2 or 3 days or so. You have to keep applying Got To Be. And to me, my personal opinion, it turns white. I like to use Pump It Up spritz. After I spray it to mold it, to kind of freeze it, I blow dry it so that it can stay in place. Now, I know the girlies like soft hair, but with these type of styles, you want it a little bit kind of hard so that it can last. So right now, I'm just creating a ball for the ponytail, applying the neck strip so that when I glue the ponytail, it does not get on her hair. We're not going to put the ponytail on first. We're just getting it ready. And my next step will be me sewing the back of her hair in. I am using 3 bundles from my collection. I believe these were 16s, 18s, and 20. I do double the track when I sew in. So let's keep in mind for the first bundle, we're going to use the 18. I am doubling the tracks as I'm sewing. As you can see, I'm starting on that lower level right there. You want to make sure it's no braid left behind, no lumps. So just follow the pattern and keep sewing.
I hope you enjoy your birthday and you have a blessed one. I love you. Bottom of my heart. Mama.
I wish I believed. I wish I believed when you told me you believed in me. I wish I could see me, what you seen when we talked last. You just told me 2 things. Said, I love you. And no matter what, keep doing what you doing. Keep doing what you doing. Whatever you doing. Keep doing it. You gotta keep it moving. Gotta keep it moving. And do what you doing. Keep doing what you doing. When I found it hard at times to be myself, not me, just be myself. Myself. I think doing what I'm doing, I think that's what got me up. I gave them my
Now that I am done sewing it in, can you see that it is seamless all the way to the rim of the ponytail, okay? Now I'm going to begin gluing the tracks for the ponytail. I do not glue anything in the back. The back is strictly sewn in, okay? You got that, you guys? Nothing is glued in the back at all, even at the top. So we're going to just double track as we glue the ponytail in. It's always faster. It makes it more room so that you can just double the tracks. If you needed to add 2 packs, you can. Unfortunately, I did not. I just did 1 pack, which is the 16-inch. Once again, this is my premium hair. If you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, all the information will be located in the description box below. I am taking a piece from the ponytail in the back, and I'm going to wrap it around to create a seamless base. Once again, none of her hair is left out in the back. To seal that, I do apply a little bit of glue with spritz and beeswax to kind of sleek it, to make it nice and clean and smooth looking. Now that we're done applying the extensions, we're going to do some crimps. We're going to go ahead and crimp. This process does take an extra 30 to 45 minutes. So if you are booking an appointment and you do ask for crimps at the last minute, you want to make sure you book that in with your stylist, because crimps are not like how curls just take maybe 10 to 20 minutes. Crimps really does take time, and it really does take an additional 30 to 45 minutes. Just, you want to keep that in mind when you are booking and when you do have it on your booking site.
Son, I hope you enjoy your birthday and you have a blessed one. I love you. Bottom of my heart. Mama.
I wish I believed. I wish I believed when you told me you believed in me. I wish I could see in me what you seen when we talked last. You just told me two things. Said, I love you. And no matter what, keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. Whatever you do, man. Keep doing it. You gotta keep it moving. Gotta keep it moving. Do what you do, man. Keep doing what you're doing.
So we're about finished. You can comb them out just a little bit. Sometimes they come out a little fluffy, so I don't. But thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you next time.